dear student. I hope you will be very safe and sound at home and doing your homework and enjoy your study at home. This is class 2, subject Islamic Study, Islamic Education. Today we have got the topic Unit 3, Lesson 1. This is Unit 3. And down is Lesson 1. What is that one? Al-Fatiha. Al-Fatiha. My name is Amjad. This is your book. Open your book. Page 26. There is the Quran, Al-Quran, Al-Kareem. Lesson number 1, Surah Al-Fatiha. Reading and memorizing, that we learn it by heart. It's better. This surah, Surah Fatiha, why when the Quran is edited, when it Jama, it was Jama, and Jamil Quran, who gathered the Quran and who tadween it, edited it, Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala. Why we have this Surah Al-Fatih from the very beginning of the Holy Quran? Because it means to open. Al-Fatih, to open. And when we open the Quran, we got this Surah Al-Fatiha. It is a complete dua. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave his last prophet, his last messenger, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a unique sort of dua, and that is called Al-Fatih. None other than was given such kind of dua, other prophets, I mean to say other prophet, but this surah consists of 7 ayah, because Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim also considered an ayah mubarakah. That's why this is a complete dua. And when we learn it, we see what a miracle sort of verses and what a such kind of verse we will see in this surah that were not given to other prophets. Let's start. Open your page number 26. This is Surah Fatiha, and you know the meaning of Al-Fatiha means to open. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Sirata allazina an'amta alayhim. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Without this surah, there is a sins of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Without reciting this surah or reading this surah, our prayer that we go to mosque 5 times a day is not complete. We have to read this. What is the translation of this surah? Look this one. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Look at the board. In the name of Allah. When we the beginning of, the starting of this surah, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It means we begin the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most beneficent means Ar-Rahman. He is the only Ar-Rahman. There is nobody, other body in the universe who claim that he is Ar-Rahman. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Beneficent. Ar-Rahman. The most merciful and Ar-Rahim. He is the only merciful. He is considered to be merciful. He is the most merciful, none other than on the surface of the earth or in the entire universe. He claims that he is merciful. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is merciful, Ar-Rahim. This is a two attribute, two sifat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Beneficent, Ar-Rahman, and merciful, Ar-Rahim. All praises, all tarif, all tarifat, all hamdu sana, all sort of praises be to Allah Almighty. When you open the Quran after Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, we say, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillah. All the praises goes to Allah Almighty. Go to Allah Almighty. Lord of the world. He is the Lord of the world. Rabbul Alameen. World. Wahid Alam. And words. Jama. Alameen. Lord of the world. Rabbul Alameen. What is the meaning of Rabb? Means sustainer, who created the universe, who created each and everything, then take care of that one. Lord of the world, Rabbul Alameen. Rabbul Alameen. The most beneficent, again, he is the greatest, he is the only, Ar-Rahman, beneficent, Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, and he is the most merciful, who? Allah Almighty. These are the two attributes of Allah Almighty, beneficent and merciful, Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. Sovereign of the day of judgment, Maliki Yawmiddin. Sovereign means king. Sovereign means Malik. He has the authority of the day of judgment, Yawmiddin. The day of judgment, when we will be accountable over deeds, what we did on the surface of the earth. Judgment, Yawmiddin, Yawmul Hisab. You means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alone we worship. There is only one God. La ilaha illallah. There is no other deity except Allah Almighty. There is no other God except Allah Almighty. We worship Him alone. You, Allah, alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. And there is no other body to whom we are going to ask for help. Only you, who fulfill our desire. Only you, O Allah Almighty, only you. We ask for our help to you only. Guide us, Ehdina. Guide us to the straight path, Siratul Mustaqim. Straight path, where there is no zigzag, straight path. To me, Islam is a straight path. If one goes straight on this line, straight path, Siratul Mustaqim, nobody will go astray. The path of those, what type of path? We have to walk on it, we have to follow that one. What is our Siratul Mustaqim? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala stated in this last verse of Surah Fatih. The path of those on whom you have bestowed Ata. You gave straight path. For those you gave them what? Nema. What? Favor. Your nema. Siratul Lazina an'amta alayhim. This is Siratul Lazina. What is that Siratul Lazina? To whom you bestowed an'amta alayhim. Not the path of those who earned that path where who earn your anger, O Allah Almighty, yearning Allah's anger. O Allah Almighty, Al-Maghdub alayhi, one who earn your anger. Don't let us move on that path, on those paths. This is Sirat al-Mustaqim. This is Sirat al-Mustaqim. O Allah Almighty, Ihdina, guide us to the straight path, Sirat al-Mustaqim. And that path, those who earn your nema, favor, nema, not the path of those who earn your anger. Al-Maghdub alayhi. Al-Maghdub alayhi. We don't want to follow. Don't let us to move on such kind of path. And those people who will earn your anger, not of those who went astray, Daleen. And don't let us to move on such kind of path on those who went astray, Ad-Daleen, who misguided. Those who misguided people, astray, misguided, Ad-Daleen. This is a complete dua. And what type of that destroyed Ananta? Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when he prayed, he quoted such kind of ayah mubarakah in his prayer. The path of those on whom, who's those people? Who are those people? Deen Ibrahim. Those who followed the Deen Ibrahim. Those who followed the right path. Those who followed that kind of path which led them to Allah Almighty. I hope you understood this one. Again, in the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all praises be to Allah, Alhamdulillah, Lord of the world, Rabbul Alameen, the most beneficent, Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, Ar-Rahim, sovereign of the day of judgment, Malik Yawmiddin, is the King Malik, Hakim. You alone, you mean Allah Almighty, alone we worship and you alone we ask for our deeds, ask for our help. Sorry. Guide us to the straight path, O Allah Almighty. Guide us to the straight path. And what type of that path? The path of those on whom you have bestowed favor. Ananta alayhim. Not the path of those who earn your anger. No, Al-Maghdub alayhi, and not of those who went astray. I hope you understood this one. See this one, page number 27. We learn from this surah. What did we learn? Just see this one. Allah is the Lord of everything. No doubt about this one. Allah is the Lord of everything. And the second one, He is the most merciful and beneficent. He is the King of all. There is no other King. We must worship Him alone. We must pray for His help. We must pray to Allah to show us the right path. We must pray to Allah to keep us away from the wrong path. What type of path that is? We must pray to Allah to keep us away from the wrong path. Oh God, such type of people. I hope you understood very well. This is page number 28. 28. We have got the question answer. Remove the 3 question answer. Open that one. Page number 28. Exercise. Mention some descriptions of Allah Almighty. Mention some description of Allah Almighty. Question answer. Mention some description of Allah. This is the question. Answer. Allah is the most beneficent. Allah is the most merciful and beneficent. Allah is the most merciful. Allah is the most merciful and beneficent. It is Allah who is the most merciful, Rahim, and the most beneficent. What is the second question? What does a Muslim ask Allah? What does a Muslim ask Allah? This is our second question. What does a Muslim ask Allah? A Muslim asks Allah for his help. A Muslim asks Allah for his help and guidance. What does a Muslim ask Allah? A Muslim asks Allah for his help. It is Ismail Maruf. That's why this is a proper noun. We have to write H capital, especially for Allah Almighty. Remember this one. This pronoun belongs to Allah, and here we have got H capital. Why? Because it belongs to Allah Almighty. This pronoun belongs to Allah Almighty. Samir. A Muslim asks Allah for his help and guidance. Question number C, the last one. What should a Muslim keep himself away from? What should a Muslim keep himself away from? Question mark. Answer. Muslim should keep himself away from a Muslim should keep himself away from what? The wrong path. What should a Muslim keep himself away from? A Muslim should keep himself away from the wrong path. Okay, dear student, these three questions we have got in our exercise question answer. Question number 2, blanks. Fill in the blanks. I mentioned in each and every lecture that blanks are converted into MCQs. At the end, I will write MCQs all and the true false. Remember this one. But on the book, you have to complete that one as far as the blanks is concerned. Are concerned. Number 1, what's the first one? A Muslim must dash Allah alone. These are the words over here, given up over here. Creatures, judge, Lord, worship Allah. A Muslim must dash Allah alone. Obviously, worship. Worship. Number 2. Allah is the dash of the worlds, Lord of the worlds. We have read in this surah, Lord of the universe, of the worlds. A Muslim prays to Allah alone. A Muslim prays to Allah alone. We only worship Allah Almighty. Number 4, Allah is the supreme dash on the last day. Supreme judge of the last day. Judge. Day of judgment. Malik Yawmiddin. And number 5, Allah cares for His creatures. Creatures. Allah cares for His creatures. And down there is question number 3. Tick cross. True, false, or tick cross. Number 1. We pray to Muhammad to show us the right path. Is it right or wrong? Tell me, is it wrong? We only pray to Allah Almighty. It is cross. Number 2. Only Allah can guide us to the straight path. Obviously, that's true. Number 3. The angel Jibreel Amin will be the judge on the last day. It's wrong. Only Allah Malik Yawmiddin. It is wrong. It is wrong. Only Allah can keep us away from the wrong path. This is true. And number 5, the last one, Muslims pray to Allah for help. That is also true. Tick. First one cross, second tick, third cross, fourth and fifth are tick. Okay, dear students, this is your homework for today. Write and learn question answer and learn what? Question answer, blanks, notebook and learn them. We have got only 3 questions, and this one, second and the third one. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood this lectures and do it at home in a very good way. This is your page. When you write, you have to write date, unit number, unit, lesson number, like this one. Okay, this is your homework, and write start question here and answer here. When you finish the question answer, draw a line in the center like this one. Then if you have space, 3-4 line, write question and answer again, like this one. And don't cross here the word. Don't cross this last line on your notebook page. If you cross this one, if you don't have any space right here down, there are some special sort of things in English as far as the writing is concerned, syllable and hyphen. I will tell you later. Okay, wish you all the best. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.